Good morning, you guys. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. It's 8 o'clock right now, and I'm going to shop my first order of the day. It's $14, you guys. $14, and I'm going to shop for 12 items. And it's only going to Maya. First order of the day. Good morning. I need the ID. Yo, just received another order. Second order of the day. $27, you guys, and it's going 5 miles. And 3 drop off. We're dropping 3 drops. So I'm waiting for them to bring it out because the pickup time is 8:55, and right now it's 8:40. So let's wait for them. Let's drop this first drop off. Yo, I'm trying to get this in one trip because I'm going on 2H. I'm going upstairs, so I do not want to come back. Ooh, heavy. Just another soda? Oh my God. Let me see if it's gonna work. Everything here is heavy. Wow. Second drop off. It's a lot. All right, let's go. Just received our third order of the day. The day is going super good. So $20 is going 5 miles, and it's 3 drop off. So I'm here just waiting for them to bring it up. My last drop off of this is the third drop off of my third drop off. I don't know if I'm making sense, but let's go drop off this last one. It's going 3rd floor, y'all. It's going 3rd floor. $11, you guys, and we're going to shop for 7 items. And it's only 2 miles, so it's kind of slow. So I decided to take this order. Yo, it's 70 degree outside, yo. January, and it's 70 degree right now. It's hot. It's hot. And if you're in a car just waiting for an order, oh, you're gonna burn. Let me open my door. It's too hot. So in the morning, yeah, from I think it was from 7 to 10, I was getting order back to back, y'all, back to back. And after my last order around 11, no, I think it was almost 11, I went home to grab lunch, and on my way home they gave me an order. I was like, but I'm going home to get lunch. And boom, I took that order. But I realized that I'm taking too long at home, so I'm not gonna make it on time over here. So I canceled that order. I was like, okay, I will get another order. It's busy anyway. So I came back, yo. I sat over here for 2 hours without no order. 2 hours, yo, without no order. So I think it was because I canceled it. I don't know if it got slow. I have no idea, yo. I have no idea. So I'm just here, keep waiting for another offer. Yo, after 2 hours of waiting for an order, 2 good hours, finally got an order. $27 is going 9 mile, and it's 3 drop off. Today I told myself I'm not gonna go home. Let me just wait it through and see how much I can take home with. Yo, slow. This afternoon it's slow. $15 going 4 mile, and I'm shopping for 6 items. So let's go shop it. I already got this one and that one. I have 4 more to go. Yo, they're telling me to go to V5. This is my first time seeing V, y'all. I don't know what the heck is V. So I need to ask somebody. V is my first time. Shoot. Oh, so somebody told me, y'all, it's here. V is here on the Vision Center. So, oh, there it is. This is V, y'all. Yo, I'm going to change this one. I realized that it broke. I took the broken thing, so I'm going to exchange it. Yo, it's 5 right now. 5, and I just received my last order. $15 going 4 mile, and I'm dropping to drop off. Oh, they're bringing it. She's coming. Let me give her the code number. Is the code number? So she's done loading everything in my car. It was 2. Did I say how much? $15 for 2 drop off, right? Because I don't remember if I told you. Anyway, she said the milk was spilling. The milk was spilling, so she went to get another gallon of milk. So I'm waiting for her right now to bring the milk. Yo, today I'm still here because I needed money, you know. I'm still here because I was patient, y'all, for these orders. Today was super slow. And guess how much money we made? From 8 to, did I start 7 or 8? I don't remember. To, well, now it's 5. If I'm done with this order, we're gonna have, I'm going to be on 130. Yo, super slow, but I am so thankful that I even have that 130 right now, you know. So thankful. So I don't know if I tell you this part, you guys. There was a point that I opened Uber Eats, I opened Roti, but I didn't get nothing from there for hours. Like nothing was coming in. I was like, wow. So I think it's all the apps that is slow. In DoorDash, I couldn't go in because I have to have a schedule. So yo, this is the end of my shift, you guys. It's 5 right now, almost 6. So as I told you, my day was super slow, but I'm thankful. We made it 134, something like that. So anyway, you guys, let me know how was your day today? Was it busy? Was it slow? Did you make some decent money or what? Let me know, y'all. Let me know. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you've been watching my videos and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that. Right now it's black button. It's not ready anymore. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and thumbs up and comment. All right. I love you guys. Bye.